Hey guys, so we got another Milwaukee packout wall mount update for you guys. So what we picked up today was the curved hook, the 3-inch. Model number is 4822 8333, and that is right over here where I have my at present time 3-inch corded Porter cable polisher. The next item, which is right here, which is the M12 battery holder. Stock number there is 4822 8338. Oops. The third item, which is right here, which is the tool station that holds your drills. It has a shelf. It's kind of like an all-in-one. Stock number is 4822 8343. So as of right now, this is where we have gotten to, and at the present time, this is what the setup is. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Remember to subscribe and share.